Hey guys, Elias Gamer here, and back again in the video. I'm gonna be opening 2 super chests that I got, and I was gonna make another video today. It wasn't gonna be this video, but I'm gonna make that video tomorrow. So yeah, let's open the first chest and see what we get. I hope we get something good, cause I really want something good. What am I gonna get? Gems? How much gems is that? 100 gems. Okay, we got 100 gems. And for our second one, ooh, I hope we get a lot. Please. What are we gonna get? We got the automatic decorator! We got the automatic decorator. Oh, let's open one of these as well, because we can, and see what we get from it. 1 gem, and well, we got the automatic decorator, guys. Oh, let's go. Whoa, look at this. Oh, we got the automatic decorator. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. We got the automatic decorator from from 2 super chests. And, yeah, let's go test this out. And let's actually do some block crash and see how good this is in block crash. And then let's do some multiplayer battles, like duel and stuff. I got 1,000 gems as well. Holy, I got so much. Whoa. You can like do this. It's like so good. Whoa, this is so, oh no. I almost died. It's so OP. This thing is so OP. It's a looping shot. If it wasn't looping shot, it would be much more OP. No, I died. It doesn't matter, guys. Well, so we got 1,034 gems, and we got 1,292 coins. Dude, I am stacking those gems. And okay, I don't know why there was a black screen, but what was I gonna say again? Oh yeah, let's go on to pool party and test this thing out. I was really hoping we would have got the snowflake. I want to see how good this is. Oh, we got a kill. And we died. Okay, let's just shoot this. Die, please. That would be great if you died. Let's go in with the Guardian. I think we got that kill. No, there was a kill assist. I think we got another kill. Okay. Oh, you just killed me with that space thingy. I forgot what its name. Like Design Victor or something? Or the Zane? I don't know its name. I wonder how much shots it takes to kill your opponent. Okay. Well, this heavy weapon is good too, so far. At least it's not worse. We got 6 kills. What the heck happened? What was that? My charger just got, I don't know. It just whatever. I don't know what it's called. Oh, come on, it's loading again. And now I have 0 kills. Yay! And it says drop at player 6. Okay, I'm gonna quit that. Let's go into... Well, the automatic decorator is like the best weapon I have. Better than the Piranha, Judge. Well, it does more damage than it, but it's not really that good. It takes a long time to kill your opponent, but yeah. Just look at it, and I think they like. I almost have the Christmas Ultimate item. I think it's really good. Well, these both weapons are really good. I wish I had the Christmas Ultimatum, but it doesn't matter. I can... Oh, if I got the Sharp Snowflake, that would insane. Oh, I can open my chest. Yay. What do we get? Oh, we got Frozen Dragon. We got 1 part for the Frozen Dragon. Okay, bunch of clan stuff. No, wait, go into craft. Wait, why in craft? Oh, I almost have the Frozen Dragon. I really want it. Okay, so let's go. Let's actually, what should we do? Yeah, let's do more Block Crash. I feel Block Crash is the best place to use this weapon, because it does, like, it's so OP, and when you do Block Crash with it. Okay, we're all starting already. That was kind of fast. No, wow, what a noob. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this again and try to actually get some, I don't know, knockouts or something. Let's get our score up a little bit and become first. I gotta wait. Okay. Let's use it. Why are they always going for me? They always go for the person with the automatic decorator. I don't know why. Wow. I told you they always go for the person with automatic decorator. But this weapon is good anyway, so it's good in a Block Crash. But a bunch of other weapons are as well. I have 1,000 gems. I can get like... I want to get this, but at the same... Oh, I have 8% left. My charger back in. What the heck? My charger. I don't know if I should get this. Or I should get this. I mean, no, not that. This. Or maybe this. I don't know what to get. Or maybe the Champion Solar Cannon. Just kidding, no. I already have the automatic decorator. So let's do some duel, actually. My whole hand is like covering the whole screen or something. I don't know. Okay. Now we just gotta wait for someone to join. Oh no, what happened? That was weird. Okay. Oh, look who joined. Yeah, dude. Do you want a chest? You want the 5 gem chest? The Novice chest, I think it's called. You want it? For 5 gems? No? Okay. Well, we're gonna have to wait a couple seconds, so I'm gonna, okay, he accepted it, now I gotta wait longer. Well, I'm gonna skip it until it starts. Okay, 1, 0, there we go. Okay, this weapon is not a good launching weapon. Say hi to Whitey. Oh no, I did that wrong. Say hi to Whitey. Oh no, he just, come on. Okay, where is he? Oh, what a hit. Oh no. I'm not gonna use this or this, the Excalibur or the extra spear, because I'm gonna have to make a review of it in a couple of days or weeks. I don't know. Yes, I got in with the automatic decorator. Oh no, now he's mad, I think. He's mad. He's totally mad. No, please don't do that. Die. Please die. Did I get him? And I got the victory. Now I'm going to get a Nova